I played here and there was only 5 people on Hill 16.
We became part of something that was bigger than ourselves.
Daistrig seachtach chathair gachcrocht.
I didn't hit him hard enough.
Maybe the judge of that.
It wasn't just a cultural revolution, it was a sociological revolution.
The appointment of Kevin Heffernan was a major coup.
He became teacht agus teacht within sin is cinnte when na sin job.
Jimmy pretends to go one, goes the other, takes his shot, and there's the win.
Travelling people and settled people were very separated. Say the GAA opinion, they get up. Big time.
Dathrig an mion a bhí ag daoine óga faoin sport. Bhí sé faisinta.
There was Hefo raising the bar and Kerry responding.
It developed into one of the greatest Irish sporting rivalries of all time.
Every Christmas I still watch back the matches.
So Evoy and South Armagh was your rivalry that defined my childhood.
Ciarraí tá míid fósa cain faoin fearna a bhí Ciarraí in na seachtaí.
Cui feargadí an Gaelic, with Grimmer, Mná, peile Gaelic, I bark and crook.
Bhí mar go léir faoi gríocht acu, says déthe beaga a bheith iad.
Like even Mickey was a sex symbol in 75.
Believe me, there was no love lost on the pitch. Absolutely none.
No love.
We'd go through each other.